Hello my beautiful friends, and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris, where we discuss a whole bunch of makeup, some fashion, some life hacks, some hair issues for me over 50, but really anywhere, 30, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, everybody's welcome here. For today's video and for the next several Thursdays, I'm going to try to have shorter content videos, and today we are talking about a blush product from Winky Lux. Have you seen this? It is probably the most beautiful makeup product I have seen. Okay, there was that Florasis eyeshadow palette. So those two, oh my gosh, such beautiful makeup. This is cream blush, and I have to give a shout out to Cat's Eye Beauty. Her channel is where I first saw these, and she is lovely. Just search her, Cat's Eye Beauty. I think you'll really enjoy her. So I did pick up two of them. These sell for $20 each and are available at Target and at Ulta. And one big question I had when I first saw that gorgeous rose was, is that just gonna mush? Like, how firm is that? Let me tell you, it is very firm. However, it's also very easy to pick up color. It comes in 5 shades, and to be honest, looking at online and even seeing most of them in person, they don't look like there's a big range. So I can show you two. I have the shade Crown and Dodgy. So I'm going to show you those two, but I would encourage you search out videos here on YouTube, just look it up online. I'm sure somebody's got them all swatched, which can help you pick the one if you're interested. So let's start with Crown, which is what I am wearing today. So you can see, even though it looks really bold, you can certainly get just a nice wash of color. To apply today, I used my Refer 19, just a fluffy blush brush, but I'm going to try to swatch this for you, and you can see that, there we go, it doesn't smush. That's what the technical term I'm trying to find. And this is Dodgy, and I will say, so I ordered these from Ulta. They retail for $20. Ulta had them on sale for like $14 or $15, I want to say, and so I did order these two when they had them on sale. This one, Dodgy, came, and the dome here, it had come unglued. Literally, these are glued to the base. I know this because mine had come unglued and was all smooshed around the protective dome. So here, let me show you. So the pinky one on the bottom there is Dodgy, and this one is Crown. So you can see there is quite a bit of difference, and let me just swatch them here in the back of my hand. So Crown really is a lovely, almost peachy, with a little subtext of red, and Dodgy is much more pink. Even though I'm just going to show you Crown again, because when you look at it, they have a little clasp here. There we go. When you look at it, that does not, at least to my eyes, read that it is going to be peachy. But sure enough, right? Let's just build it up a little bit. Yeah. It's peachy, just with the subtlest subtext of red. So I think this would make a great stocking stuffer if you've got a makeup lover on your Christmas or holiday list, or just a little splurge for yourself. Thank you so much for joining me. Do the YouTubey, likey, and subscribey things. It really really is helping my channel grow, and I am so appreciative. Thanks, and have a fantastic day.